Question 1, enter a trigonometric equation that relates the values and the variables in the triangle below. Enter degree after any value that is in degrees. All right, so first thing, we have a right triangle here with an angle that we know. So the angle that we know, that's going to be our reference angle. So our reference angle is the 67 degrees. Okay, now let's label our sides based on that reference angle. Across from the right angle is always where I start. That's the hypotenuse. It never changes. What changes is the sides if we change our reference angle. So across from our reference angle is the opposite, and then next to the angle is the adjacent side. So we want to write an equation based on what we know. So we know the hypotenuse and we know the adjacent. So if we're looking at sine, cosine, or tangent, which one has adjacent and hypotenuse? Cosine. That's the equation we're going to use. Okay, so we're going to use cosine of some reference angle is the adjacent over hypotenuse. And now we're just going to fill in everything. So cosine, what's the reference angle? Of 67 degrees equals adjacent, which is x, over hypotenuse, which is 13. So we needed to use all of that information we were given in our equation. That's why I didn't pick sine or tangent, because we don't know the opposite side and we don't know that reference angle to use that either. So that's the answer. We're just going to type in cosine, COS, 67 degrees equals x divided by 13. Okay, that's our equation.